Hello YouTube, thanks for watching the channel. This video is about the Hubsan Zino camera setting in 1080p 60 frames a second and comparing the differences between manual and automatic settings on the camera. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. So let's get started and see what setting looks best. Thanks again for joining and enjoy the video. Settings, and I am going to camera. I'm going to go manual. ISO is automatic. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up to 600, way too 300, way too much. 100 it seems to be doing okay. Let me see if I can go back to exposure. Exposure seems to be 2396, seems to be okay. Let me see if I could lighten it up a little bit. Okay, I brought it up to 2800. Let's see how that handles it. I am going to go ahead and get out of exposure, and I am going to go back to the settings. Let's choose this ordinary. Yeah, it's ordinary white balance. And let's see what the color is. Bright. What does bright do? Let's try bright this time on the color. And hit the record on this one. Here we go. On the left side we see the automatic camera settings, and on the right we see the manual with 100 ISO, 2896 on exposure, ordinary on the white balance, and bright on the color. And right off the bat you can see the huge difference in the definition and the sharpness of the video. The automatic is definitely a better view. The right side it's looking like a washed out TV. I know Tony McClendon commented in one of my videos that it quote unquote quote, it reminded me of the Zenith Color Track 25 in the floor model TV. So we're talking about an old color TV. Yeah, you're right, Tony. It does look just like that. It looks like the old TV, you know. It just that's the way they were back then, right? I must say that the colors in bright are definitely appealing. I mean, you can see the bottom of the river, you'll see the rocks, and you can see the different hues are actually popping pretty nicely, right? See the greens and the darks, and now we see some of the clay and the reds. Yeah, so that's something maybe to consider if we can set it to color bright in automatic mode. That would be nice. Yeah, so as I'm cruising back on this little waterfall, you can see that you can barely see the little branches of the trees, but again, the colors are nice. And we're coming up to, this is, they call it first break in the dam, and this is a section where the kayakers actually love to sit here in this first break in this curl, and they just back up into this area here and just ride it like a surfboard, right? They just sit in that curl and really enjoy it. Here we are again, back to the automatic camera settings, and you can see how nice the waves look, or shall we say the the current running over the rocks, and the colors are not quite as vivid, but they're a definitely better view. You can see the definition of each one of the trees, and you can see the animals better. Little duckies swimming by, and here we go again to this old TV look, right? Like the old Zenith Color Track 25, right? Yeah, Tony, yeah, that was a good comment, man. I appreciate you giving me that feedback. So yeah, we're getting to the end of the video, and in my conclusion, definitely I am going to be shooting in 1080p 60 frames a second and automatic, even though it, will swing the contrast, or shall we say the exposure settings, from bright to dark, but I can live with that, especially if you get this kind of videos. Again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you like this video and content. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.